739. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Okay, so first of all, in the system index, we're going to review this very quickly. Eventually, you want to put EG state here in this new section that is system data only, or systems that are data only systems. And then down here, here's tileboy, tileaway, and tilefed. And tilefed is a stateful tile setter that uses the tileboy calculations to put stuff into the tile map, but tilefed uses the state information from EG state to figure out what it's going to put in the tile map. And this is an illegal forward reference. We're not allowed to have a system reference something further down, right? This system is only allowed to reference things further back, but it can't reference things further down. It's just the organization of the project. So currently, we're making a violation of the dependency order of the project, and so we need to move this up. We need to move this way the fuck up, because we're out of fucking order. We're literally out of order. Like, not even like, literally. It's literally out of order, right? It's not... I'm not talking in idioms. It's literally fucking out of order. Okay, so in tilefed, we've made this dependency order enforcer that only exists on the client side. We have some shorthand references to the things we need, and we're going to make sure that the inclusion order goes EG state, tileboy, and then tilefed. And if we don't do things in this order, we're going to fucking crash. Then down here, I was just making sure that indeed tilefed is referencing EG state out of order. And then in EG state, I also add these dependency enforcers to say that the order is EG state, tileboy, and then tilefed. It needs to be in that fucking order. Okay, so here are our footnotes and some more footnotes and all that good stuff. And, oh, here's a little conceptual diagram of kind of the order that things need to relatively be on. And here's some footnotes and stuff, but we need to get the fuck out of here. So if you want a longer explanation of what's going wrong, you can go here to Ninja Playlist 8. You're on Kanji Playlist 8. Source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. It's a server, it's a rendering engine, and it's a simulation all bundled up into one. I'm open sourcing it and documenting every single line of code. If you want to see how to make a game engine, then you should like and subscribe and follow and all that good stuff. I'm out of here.